The electric bell contains an electromagnet. When electric current flows through the coil, the iron core becomes magnetic and attracts the soft iron armature. This causes the clapper to hit the gong. At the same time, the circuit is interrupted. The iron core loses its magnetism, and the spring pulls the clapper back. The circuit is then closed again, and the process starts over from the beginning. The electric current flowing in the coil induces a magnetic field which is oriented according to the right-hand rule. When you wrap your right hand around the coil with your fingers in the direction of the current, your thumb points in the direction of the magnetic North Pole, which is indicated in red.